Many homes like this were left behind. Time has taken nearly all of them.
This is the one we'll restore.
Nature has been reclaiming it for years. Every surface shows neglect.
The house is fragile right now.
We'll move slowly and respectfully.
First, I remove what doesn't belong. Decades of dust come up easily. The walls are finally visible.
Old fires left their mark. We clear space to work.
The floor starts to breathe. Light begins to return.
Cleaning sets the tone.
Now we dismantle what's failing.
These joints were handmade.
I label each piece. The wall has to come down safely.
Here's the damage, and let's watch this. The bank is this little thing plaque in there, this side of the vastity, and so that's the spirit.
We open the structure carefully.
Nothing useful is discarded.
The bones are exposed.
I check what can be saved. Here's the damage.
We open the structure carefully.
Nothing useful is discarded.
The bones are exposed.
I check what can be saved. Only the bad wood is removed. New wood must fit perfectly.
Primitive tools keep it authentic.
Old meets new. No metal needed here.
Traditional materials matter.
The wall gains strength.
We let it rest.
The foundation is corrected.
Experience guides the work.
These boards remember footsteps. Everything sits tight again.
The opening is true now. If they don't have like that.
The view will be clear.
The house stands upright.
Protection from the sky.
Ice smooth without rushing. Clean surfaces last longer.
This seals the plaster.
The wall is protected.
Colors from the land.
Quiet, even strokes.
The room feels warm.
Details matter.
The wood wakes up.
Clarity returns.
Listen to the softness. Years of wear fade. The grain shines. Shehadis, Adil.
The hearth is restored.
This space was once lost.
Now it feels solid.
Every layer was rebuilt. The house feels alive.
The welcome, the over that is from Mintikanal, as the John says, is the welcome returns.
Every joint is sound.
The homestead stands again. Many were not saved. This one was.
Subscribe for more restoration journeys.